Hi guys, continuing with marketing, we're going to be talking about social networking and blogging and how that's going to drive traffic and trials to your site. So we're going to start out here with the blogging promotions one first. Now, if you get featured into high quality blogs, you're going to generate a lot of traffic to your site. And the number of blogs that get featured and the resonance that you have will have conversion to those people who will be coming. So we split things out between premium, moderate, and niche blogs. And so the niche ones may have less followers, but they'll have a higher conversion. Whereas maybe the premium have the most viewers and will have an average conversion rate. So we'll start off with maybe 0 blogs that are getting featured in, but increasing over time, you'll add more and more. So just type in 1, 2, 3, 200 blogs that you will be featured in. You'll obviously have to put some work in to make sure that you do get featured into them, especially the things like TechCrunch and Pando and Recode, etc. Now, how much traffic do you think each one of these blogs will drive to you? So maybe premium could be something like TechCrunch for you, and a niche one might be, both sides of the table. So if you get featured in TechCrunch, a premium one, you'll get 2,000 people coming to your site, whereas if you're on Seuss's blog, it'll be 500 people. Pick again something for moderate just to find out how to make sense for your business. Okay, so this will take the number of traffic you get per, times that by the number of blogs you get featured in, and boom. That is the traffic that gets sent to your website from getting featured in your blogs. Simple, right? Now, let's deal with the impact of social media. So how many social media followers do you actually have right now? We're not getting super granular, so just add up your Twitter, your Facebook followers, delete the fake ones that I know you bought, and you'll start out with, say, 500. You can change that easily just by typing in a number, like, say, 3,099. Now, when you post, people will hopefully engage with you and click through to your website with some sort of purchasing intent. So we'll post, say, 4 times a month, and 2% of people will then click through to your website, which would mean if you have 500 followers, you'd be 40 a month. Your followers will increase over time, and you may post more engaging content, which will mean that the number of people clicking the website will increase over time. Now, we'll deal with people sharing stuff, which is the great thing of having followers. This is not just them reading it, they share everything, especially like those people on Twitter who just like retweet everything. So how does this work? Well, when you get featured in blogs, traffic is going to come through to your followers who are going to read that. So that's the total number of people who are actually going to read your content. Now, those people are going to share it. So what percentage of people will share those posts? 1, 2, 5, 20%, all the way up to 100%. And they have followers, right? So how many followers do they have each? So you can say premium followers may have 500. Niche guys may have 350, but their conversion on that is better. So we can see what the number of people sharing the posts are. The people who then share it to their friends, who then have a click-through rate of the people that they shared it to their friends, will click through to your website. As you can see here is going up all the way to 1,500 people a month. We then come to our traffic, and we can add these up, and that drives to the total number of people who will be converting to your site. So if we go to the bottom, we can see the total traffic that comes, which is the people coming from your existing social media base, and the people who are rebroadcasting that to their user base here, which leads to your total amount, which means in 3 years' time, you'll be getting 3,816 people coming through to your website on that month. Now, we know that you start out with a user base of 500 followers, and that increases over time. So how does it increase? Well, you drive traffic to your website, and you expect some percentage of those people to follow you, right? We've said 1.2, which you can increase over time. So you times that by the total amount of traffic you have, and that gives you the new followers. Now you have emails or email database. What percentage of the people who subscribe to your email database will join up? We've set that at 2.5%. So your email times by your 2.5% equals the new additions. So for the people who are sharing your content, what percentage of people will become followers as well? We set that at 10%. And of the people who read your stuff that then share it to their friends, what percentage of people will do that? So 5%. You add all those up over time, and those are your new users, 67. So we have 500 plus 67, 567. So that's the build for your users. So it's a little bit convoluted to try and get your head around because there's lots of moving integrated parts. But fundamentally, all we're saying is you get featured in blogs and that drives traffic, right? You have a certain amount of followers who will engage with you and drive traffic to your website. And then from people reading your blog and people interacting with you, so those people are going to read your content and click through to you, and they're going to share it with their friends, and their friends will click through to it. And then as you engage with people across all your channels, from paid marketing to your new customers, your emails, your rebroadcasts of your social followers following you, they'll all have these little additions up and either generate traffic and or join your base where you can build this virtuous cycle. Now, probably best for you just to get through the model, play with that, see how it works, and hopefully you can understand it.